Hello guys, welcome to this channel. Dakmara Bangladesh. I'm your host Tamim Alsiam. Hope you're gonna like our new video. This video is on special beef biryani. So let's continue with the info. So guys, let's see what ingredients we got today. We got around 1.5 kilograms of beef. We got green chilies. We got chopped up onions, ginger paste over here with garlic paste together. We got sour yogurt. We got Indian garam masala over here. We got salt and white chili powder over here, and cinnamon powder also. So let's continue with cooking. So guys, let's start the fire. So as you people can see, it's a very windy day. So the fire is okay right now. We are gonna add the cooking vessel. We need to add some water. So guys, we're gonna add around 250 ml of mustard oil. The oil is sizzling right now. We are gonna add our chopped up onions. We're adding our garlic and ginger paste. We're adding the cinnamon, cardamom, and the white chili powder, everything. So let's see. We're adding the Indian spice, garam masala. So now we are giving it a good start. Now we're gonna add some water. Now we're adding our beef. And sorry guys for the play. Now we are gonna add our yogurt. We're adding our yogurt. So we are gonna simmer it for 30 minutes to 40 minutes. So let's see people after 40 minutes. So guys, after 30 minutes we are gonna add the rice. Right now we are not adding half-boiled rice. Again we're saying we're not adding half-boiled rice today. We're adding 1 kilogram of basmati rice. This was soaked in water for 10 minutes. Hello guys, So as you people can see, it's 90% done. So এখন আমরা দমে দিব এটা। So এখন সব বিফ রিমুভ করে ফেলবো। So let's do it. So it's done. So let's reveal it. So as you people see, it's ready. So we are gonna serve it for you people. So let's see you at the serving time. Hello guys, finally end of this video. Hope you like our beef biryani. And আমাদের প্রায় season শেষ, but still we couldn't afford to buy a chopping board. So let's add the lemon. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with your friends, and please like this video, and we all invited you to see our last videos, so please go and see our other videos even. Hope you liked all the videos of ours. So let's roll the outro.